Hello and welcome. Good to have you with us. Moving to next top 5 static and dynamic MCQs of the day. Let's start beginning with the first question of the first slide. First question is asking in which country the gates of hell volcano is located. Option A Turkmenistan, option B Kazakhstan, option C Uzbekistan, option D Afghanistan, and the correct option is option A Turkmenistan, where the gates of hell is located. Recently, the government of Turkmenistan has decided to close the door of the gates of hell volcano, preserving the natural resources of this volcano. Second question is which option reflects the incorrect statement for the Central Board of Direct Taxes? First, it is a statutory body under the Central Board of Revenue Act 1963. Second, it covers direct tax including GST. Statement first is correct. It is a statutory body under the Central Board of Revenue Act 1963. It is correct. And second, it covers direct taxes including GST. It is incorrect. It covers direct taxes but not GST, because GST is an indirect tax. So the correct statement is option C, because the question is asking for the incorrect statement. So option C only second is incorrect. Now moving to third question. Consider the following statement which reflect the correct options regarding the Law Commission of India. First, Law Commission of India is a watchdog of Indian government and Indian constitution, which brings the discrepancies and shortcomings over several existing and upcoming laws and acts, suggesting the remedies to the government. Yes, it is correct. It is a watchdog of Indian government and Indian constitution, which brings the discrepancies and shortcomings over several existing and upcoming laws and acts, suggesting the remedies to the government. Second statement, it is a constitutional body, but no, it is not a constitutional body. Statement first is Statement first is correct and statement second is incorrect, because it is neither a constitutional body nor a statutory body, but it is a executive body which is passed by government on time to time. So the correct option is option A. Only first is correct. Now moving to our fourth question. Which one of them the Leelavati Award is honored for outstanding contribution to public outreach? Option A literature, option B science, option C performing arts, option D mathematics, and the correct option is option D mathematics. In the field of mathematics, the Leelavati Award is honored for the outstanding contribution to the public outreach. Fifth question, mark the correct author who wrote some important poems like Utkal Santan, Jati Itihas, and Jananira Ukti. Option A Bankim Chand Chatterjee, option B Madhusudan Das, option C Vidhan Chand Rai or BC Rai, option D Subramanyam Bharati, and the correct option is option B Madhusudan Das or Utkal Pride or Madhu Babu, who wrote the poems like Utkal Sanatan, Jati Itihas, and Jananira Ukti. Thanks to all viewers and subscribers of our Last Mile Approach YouTube channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and support our initiative.